2026 just started and I decided to change my life from day one. In the first day of the year, I made 3 important changes. These are very simple, they can help you. They can completely transform your life if you actually do them. So let's start with the first one. First thing that I changed was deleting Snapchat. The moment the clock hit midnight on December 31st, I deleted it right away. I was wasting too much time on Snapchat. It's useless, it takes my attention, and I cannot focus when I use it. It's not only app itself, the people on the app also take my time and energy. In my opinion, besides YouTube and maybe Instagram, if you use it correctly, most other apps only steal your time. Don't consume, produce, create content. They do not help you grow, they do not make you productive, and this is why the first thing on 2026, Snapchat was gone. The second thing I changed was my approach to exercise. Before, I tried to force myself to do a full planned workout every day, but often I had no motivation. I realized it's better to do a little but do it consistently than to do a lot of sometimes and nothing the rest of the time. For example, I used to try to do 100 push-ups and 100 sit-ups every day. After a while I couldn't do it anymore and I felt like a failure, and that made me depressed. Now I realize when I have no motivation, I aim for less, sometimes 50, sometimes 30. Important thing is to just do it, even a little, but just do it. Do only one push-up is enough, but do it. The same goes for running. I personally think running too much is not great for the body. Instead, I go for a walk around the city or in the park, not slow, a little faster, but I do it consistently. Again, the key is better a little, but consistently than a lot and only once in a while. And the third thing I changed was my eating habits. I decided to go out less for food and less for fast food. Instead, I started to cooking at home. I even tried to make bread myself and turned out amazing, even better than I expected. Why? This is perfect way that you start respecting your food. Stop being a trash can. At the end of the video is a recipe how my bread turned out. It was really simple and quick, and if you don't understand something, please feel free to ask. Thank you for watching. Bye.